everybody, happy Saturday. Welcome to Laliland. I'm back. That means I got the laptop back. It's kind of back. It's our hard drive in another person's laptop. Don't ask. It's working. It's getting really hot like on the bottom, but it's working. So while I'm editing one video, I thought I'd make another one just to say hi, just to give you an idea of what's going on this week and show you a grocery haul that I just did. The big news is that I passed my exam. So on to the next step at my job, and I'm nervous because I'll be on the phones next week doing that job. I get super nervous, so pray for me on Tuesday morning, okay? I just fed the cats. I feel like Mikey might have fed them before he went out before, but they conned me. Oh yeah, they're not even finishing it. They conned me. So I want to show you a grocery haul. I stopped at the farmer's market and then I stopped at Aldi and I got some cool things. Some things I don't normally buy, so let me show you what I got. All right, so I'm gonna kind of sit down on the floor and be lazy and just show you. So I hope the lighting's okay. Let me try to put on a different light and see if that'll help. Did you already eat? You're a little con man. So a lady at Aldi like literally left her box on the floor and I was like, So my girl at the register was like, do you want me to put this in there? And I was like, yeah, I do. Obviously heavy whipping cream. Sorry if there's a little glare. I did have to put the flash on because it's dark in here. More heavy whipping cream. That'll get me through the next week or two. Some winter blend, I almost said carrots, Lord help me. Broccoli and cauliflower. This I spent $9.99 on, but hello. Yes, fat. Yes, grass-fed. Yes, organic and non-GMO. This is like the keto dream burger, so I really hope we like these. Eggs. I mean, I have a lot of eggs in here, but I think I'm gonna make an egg loaf tomorrow, which takes 8 eggs. So what are you doing, boy? He's so cute. Gotta be careful when you get the stevias, guys, because not all of them are actually stevia. These show erythritol, Ribiana, which is stevia leaf extract, and natural flavors. This is what you want. Yum. Okay, so I have not bought yogurt except for one that I didn't like. That was almond milk yogurt. I found at Aldi the Friendly Farms Greek traditional plain whole milk yogurt. I just miss yogurt, guys. I want to taste, you know, I don't want to eat a lot of it. 8 grams of fat. This is for what? 3/4 cup. 7 carbs. There's 6 sugars, yes, but I don't think I'm gonna eat 3/4 of a cup of it. I just want to taste it. I miss it, you know? So if you go to Aldi, let me know if you like it. It just kind of caught my eye and it might spike some stuff, but I'm gonna try a little bit. Actually got some blackberries because I've been missing my berries lately. These I got from Mikey because I don't really do pork unless it's bacon. Italian style meatballs, and they're made of pork. 3 balls, 300 calories, 22 grams of fat. Perfect. I didn't see the carbs. Well, for 3, he just has to eat really well during the rest of the day. That's all. I always get a bar of cream cheese, even though we have a lot right now. I got some cream cheese. I got some lemon extract because I want to make like a little lemon mug cake. So I got that for like $1.99. Good old Kerrygold. If you don't do keto, but you still want some good butter, go to Aldi and get the Kerrygold. It's the cheapest there, or Walmart. I'm almost out of mine, so I got a big old bottle. Look at that bottle. Yes, with the mother. So I do like, I do a decent amount of apple cider vinegar a day to help the fats. And then I got my marinara sauce that we love from there. Mikey loves it. He likes it more than I do. But it's 7 grams of, oh, I'm sorry about the light. 7 grams of fat, 7 carbs, 2 fiber, 4 sugars, which is one of the lowest ones we've ever found. I think it's better than the Rayos that everyone gets. And it's very basic ingredients. Gemma loves a box. Gem, I don't know. I found this box on the floor in the store. You ready, Gem? Look at this. I finally bought ghee. I'm so excited. I've never tried ghee. It's always too expensive for me to get. This was, how much was this? Let's look at the receipt. The ghee was $6.49 and it's for 13 ounces. So I'm gonna give it a shot. Do you guys use ghee? It's like the purple wall at Disney. And then I also went to the farm. Oh shoot, my dinner's in here. Got my blackened strips from Popeyes. Shut up, I like them and I get them like once every 2 weeks. What do we have here from the farmer's market? We got a tomato. We have a little baby eggplant. because we keep wasting eggplant, but if we get to it, we get to it. If we don't, it's a baby. We have 3 avocados because Mikey was crying that we didn't have any. We ran out. My absolute favorites. I went back to the regular pancake syrup from them. I like the walnut maple walnut one, but I prefer the regular old pancake. My hands look really old in this video. Ooh, wrinkling. I got some snow peas and some shirataki noodles. If you've never tried these, there's really no flavor to them, but they make us think we're eating pasta. I know those of you that eat real pasta are like, what the frig is that? You freak. I know. I like them though. Skitties. And that's it. That was only like 15 bucks and now I'm poor. So Mikey's at a concert tonight, so I'm gonna chill. See this blanket behind me? I'm gonna chill. Thanks for checking out Laliland. Please subscribe, hit the little bell, the little ding-a-ling as I call it. Oh, she is in the box. Oh my God, I have blankets everywhere. It's freaking not even cold yet. Oh, happy fall. Wait, I need a pumpkin. A gourd. How about I grab a gourd while I'm on the floor? Isn't it adorable? I love fall. There is something else I wanted to show you guys. Home of a handsome devil, a wicked witch, that's me, and their little monsters. That's my babies. Again, hit the subscribe button, hit the little ding-a-ling bell so you get notifications. We have so much fall stuff coming up. And right now I have a laptop that's kind of working, so... Oh, there I go with the fingers crossed again. It's my thing. Have a good weekend, everybody. Bye. Splattered onto my back. Probably the lady behind me in the other booth. In my hair. In my eye.